So there are definitely a lot of questions today surrounding how XRP is going to move. How is the market going to react to the news today, tomorrow, and the next day, which we'll touch briefly on in this video. But the bigger question is are we about to see XRP repeat this 30% move to the upside in the coming days? There is some data suggesting that this may in fact be the trend that we're going to follow. And we're going to have a discussion about this as well as 640 million XRP on the side. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So I will say that right now, XRP is actually in a very comfortable spot. It is still currently broken out of its trend. It did actually retest this a couple times over the last few days. It retested it overnight. And right now, at the time of filming this video, it's about $2.11, kind of sitting in no man's land, kind of a very comfortable range between, $2.10, $2.30. It's where XRP as of late really likes to live. All right. Now, just for a little bit of context, this is 7:06 a.m. Central Standard Time. We have a lot of day ahead of us, and I don't know where price is going to be as the day moves on. BTC is currently broken out at the time of filming this video, doing a little bit of a retest on the top of its trend, and we'll have to wait and see if BTC is going to hold these ranges or if people are going to freak out based on what's happening today. Now, for those that aren't familiar, today there is the announcements or at least launch of tariffs, the tariffs being imposed. And then the question lies, excuse me, how does the market react? Is there going to be retaliatory tariffs that come over the next 24 hours? That's what the big question is surrounding tomorrow. And then, of course, Friday, we have a jobs report as if things weren't going to get wild enough. So yes, I would expect a lot of ebbs and flows in the crypto market during that time. And what we've seen in preparation for this is 640 million XRP actually moved. And this is just on March 31st. So this is the largest amount we have seen in a while. And there are questions of, is this people basically prepping for moves one way or the other? The answer is yes, right? We have some people shuffling, some people selling, some people buying. There is, heightened levels of activity. We have climbed over the last 24 hours to about $80 billion in daily trading volume. So yes, the market is trying to prepare for what may potentially come next. But what I found was very interesting for XRP is that historically speaking, it is at a spot where it likes to make some significant moves, specifically to the tune of 30%. So first of all, XRP BTC is on the verge of a potential move to the upside. All right. Now, this isn't to guarantee or financial advice or anything like that. But what XRP BTC is doing right now is, in fact, testing the bottom of its Bollinger Band. And this is historically a spot where it does, in fact, like to bounce from. In fact, it historically likes to touch the top of its Bollinger Band after it does these. All right. Now, what I think is even more significant is when we just look at the XRP chart in general, we can see right now we have been testing the bottom of our Bollinger Band. And what's interesting here is on average, when it does in fact breach this, it does like to make a 30% average move to the upside. You guys can see the move back here that took place after it breached it on March 11th, move to the upside. Back here again on February 28th, strong move to the upside. Again, February 7th, strong move to the upside, move back here. But you guys get the point, right? Actually, this was an even more extended move. That was like a 60% move. But you guys get the point. We're in a spot right now where XRP actually likes to bounce from. I would say it's very strong as well. The fact that it is sitting broken out currently, sitting on top of its band here. There's a lot of short interest in the crypto market trying to push things down. So the conditions are right for XRP to make a significant move like this. But we need the overall crypto market to relax. All right. We need everybody to not freak out. We need people not to just pile on top because today is Liberation Day, right? And I don't know how people are going to react. That's the big wild card in this thing. All right. Me personally, I'm just sitting, I'm holding, I'm not selling anything. I'm being patient. Geez, I got congestion. And I'm taking advantage of these opportunities that we're getting because I know eventually the market is going to bounce back strong. This embrace for crypto hasn't changed. The problem is we just have so many negative narratives that have come up over the last week or so that are so loud right now that are drowning out all the good things that are taking place. Understand that those good things have not stopped. All we have is, frankly, one thing that overall, over the grand scheme of things, isn't really that big of a deal that people are making into a big deal. Okay, that's the best way I can describe what's going on. So I have a question. What do you guys think is ahead? Do you think we're going to make this 30% move to the upside? Will we see, XRP, for example, from where we breached? Sorry, I forgot to measure. That would be actually a move up to $2.70. Is this what comes next? So have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.